哇，跨西米跨。那个是你的 Robbie。Dude, I'm not gay.
Maybe I am. When you knock into things, right?
So you carry a big bag, guys.
And you always want to choose one black, one white. So when the women are something, the white man will upset. Then when the white man will choose someone, they will ask. But they will ask the black man.
Okay, now bye bye. See you.
Your third Mansuri.
Today in Gale Travels.
Yes, that's right. I'm
Today
the
on
vlog queen.
Midget on the trolley. Today on transportation with the midget.
You can't stop saying midget.
Today on
Faster!
today on Malik is still the slave.
Oh yes.
It is true, that is true.
So today on Malik's channel without Malik because he's a slave. Duh.
Julia, can I see your face?
We are going on a trip.
To
And my favorite rocket is
Sydney!
hey, you know.
We're gonna go check in now. Like, duh, cause that is what we just said. I guess I'm a pretty bad vlogger. I guess I'm a pretty bad vlogger.
We are just little kids. I'm the slave. Chu is just some random China girl.
I'm the family doctor.
You're
But I don't have any doctorate. That's the family mate.
If those Aussies stares at you, then you gotta give them the rock on, man. Rock on. Then they'll be like, yeah, that ain't Chinese. That Canadian, man. Yeah, Canadian.
Why they put it?
I am very, very tired. I want to sleep.
I had 4 hours of
Malik.
Really?
I got 4个小时的排球。
Oh shit.
Try saying?
对。That's the only shit I know.
Okay, Malik, I teach you. Hey, Will,
我
Alright,
打了
4个小时
4个小时。
的排球。
Come on, Julian. Some quick exercise. Let's go. Let's go.
Hi.
Gil, we doing? Oh yeah.
Gilmain and I checking in. Give them a wink.
I cannot wink. I actually cannot
Try.
wink. Okay.
Replay that, guys. Hey boys. Hey boys. Say hi. So right here is our kid, Gilmain. Look at
Gangsters,
her.
yeah.
Look at her acting like her age.
Her height, you mean? Got him. Got him. Guess who are my cabin seats? Me.
The one and only Gilmain.
Hey.
Hey gal, what is up? Yo,
Ask all of us. We are about to.
Are we even flying yet?
Wait.
Welcome aboard Singapore Airlines. This is your captain speaking.
Oh, we got like what, 7 hours 35 minutes of flight?
I thought it's 8 hours.
Yeah, 7 hours 35 minutes. Yeah. There.
It's like for one trying to
Just woke up. Oh, morning faces. Morning faces.
Just the fucking thing.
No. My face is swollen. Because of the drinks. Cheers. Cheers.
Check out,
Cheers.
wake up, bro.
the star of the show. Yeah. We just got our
This house is
Opal cards.
So where's the student one?
Actually, it's quite ugly. The mall.
I thought we do.
Okay, guys, we're caught in a taxi dilemma. Yeah, sick.
So if
Woo.
we get a license, we can drive for
Hey Malik, why don't you fucking get your fucking license since you're already fucking driving? What the fuck, man?
stay out of this
Guys, we are trying to get a freaking transport here.
Aviator gang, guys.
Yes.
Gang.
Aviator gang gang.
Shut there, Aviator. Fuck off.
They don't have any sunglasses. We have sunglasses.
Okay, so we finally got a car, and Malik is being Malik, making Gear angry, and the China girl is sitting down. Oh shit, we're gonna get wrecked in Australia, man. They hate Chinese people, man. I swear. Oh, these are the Mexicans. These are the Chinese people that they sort of used us for like slaves. Yeah. Slave master Malik. This is the person that our employer from China. Oh Jesus Christ. Here we see a wild Chinaman all the way from Singapore. Look at that.
With a hair.
Oh, he's answering a call. Oh, ooh, oof.
Look at the way his fur on his head moves.
Wow, look at that. Damn. What a beauty that creature is. What a beauty.
Look at that stance. Look at how his back leg supports his entire body.
Look
That is the beauty
look at the
of this
kicks.
animal.
God damn. The beauty of these animals is that they spent $300 on kicks. Oh, he's waving. He's communicating. He's communicating to a car. He got the attention of a car. Oh, he's a special creature, alright. Oh, the car is coming. Okay, so we're about to go buy goat cheese or any type of cheap cheese because what we are gonna cook is like cheesy pasta. Cheesy pasta, right? Some cheesy black pepper Italian shit that is kind of cheap. So we are at the cheaper cheese section because we are broke kids, you know. We spend like $600 on our airplane ticket for fuck's sake, I don't know why. Here's a good cheese. Kobe cheese. We are sponsoring this shit. Right.
Yes, we are.
Endorsing when you go to Australia, buy Devondale. Yeah, Devondale sponsor us, please, thanks. Heights. Super cheap. Like in Singapore it's like $6 and here it's only $3. Damn. Okay, so instead of having beef burger, we're gonna have alright. Yeah, bro, this is the land of Australia, man. Everything is good. But I might say that.
Excuse me, it's a private property. Can you stop filming?
Oh, why?
Wait, what?
Why is it?
This is a private property. Unfortunately, we don't actually allow customers to film this.
Oh, sorry, because I was thinking about.
Yeah, no worries.
Can't feel. Private property, guys.
Guys, we've been waiting for our driver for like, what, more than 30 minutes now and it's finally here!
Woo! Sweet time, bro! Muhammad! Osama bin Laden. Oh, hello. Welcome to the house. My name is Muhammad bin Laden. Hey! I will show you the... here is our China maid. The one in the black. This is our Chinese slave butler.
Wait, I thought
Shut up! No,
I is your physician. You are unhealthy.
Oh, he is the physician. Chinese physician. I forgot. Only Chinese can be physician.
Can we look at the house?
Oh, look at the house. Okay. So we have the dining table. Alright. We have the musical area. Oh, we have Adele over here and Ed Sheeran over here. Then we have the next Adele, which is Chinese. I don't know why. Over here we have the drinking session, the Malik's column, Malik's room, look at that. Oh, go straight to some. Oh, shala, Buddha. Over here we have our fruits and our stuff. Over there is Malik's messy room. Now we take a look at the room. Very gorgeous, very gorgeous. Look at the bed. Wow, this atas. Over here, take a look. This is our Airbnb's host clothes, but we won't steal them except Malik. But over here, oh wow, we have a gym. A gym. What? Okay, the gym sucks a lot. It's over here. And over here we have the toilet. Very nice, very nice, very nice toilet. Picture of Paris, even though we're in fucking Australia. I don't know why she buy this picture. Oh, follow me, follow me. Over here we got the kitchen. Look at this expansive noise. Wee. Got the Nutri-Bullet. Oh, very nice, very nice. Very nice. As you can see, our fridge is huge and filled with food. Very nice. Very nice. Airbnb host the best, man. So, over here, we got our cleaning stuff. The washing machine, the drying machine, the micro machine, the iron machine. Very good. Very nice. Very good. Now if you follow me, we will go into the second master bedroom. Over here. This is where the girls will sleep. Because they are small, we get a bigger room because we're big. Yeah boy. And the other toilet. Thank you Lisa, Thank you Lisa, our Airbnb host. Julian signing off.
They're playing PlayStation. Look, girl.
Okay, Ju, where are we going?
Okay, so today right, we're gonna take a night walk, you know, like the nightlife, ooh, Gucci gang. And then we're gonna find some Australians and then we're gonna get laid.
What?
What?
You have a girlfriend?
Oh sure, okay. I'm joking. Shit, don't make sure. Don't fucking blackmail me, man, I'm high.
And he's black too.
And I'm black.
Why is it taking so long?
Just to try to figure out.
Bye, Ju.
We're going on a freaking night walk and it's damn cold. But y'all can't see me because of the freaking lighting. Alright, that's our lighting. Oh shit! We gotta catch up. What's up? What's up?
True in the house. Mexicans, man.
Very red, right?
Can't really see the redness.
Look at the sky, look at the sky.
Alright.
I can see. Hey, wait, mine can. Whoa,
Oh shit.
yeah. It is so dark and it's only like what? What time is it now? It's only 9:21 here. And it's already so dark.